What's up, folks? What's up? Welcome to my channel back. I'm out here with my man helping me out today. Welcome back to Breaking Bread. I'm showing y'all some things. I'm planting a tree today, one of my first big trees. So about to show y'all what I have done, the hole I dug and all that good stuff. So a little job. I got 2 of these and I'm getting it in today, man. I'm getting it in once again. Back out here, back in action, doing the thing. I'm gonna let my man say a quick thing. He learning with me on the fly. All right, man, this is my man Kareem. He out here helping me out. This is a tree we actually about to put in right here. You see how big it is? Pretty big tree. We already dug the hole. Wheelbarrow full of dirt. Took us about 8 minutes to dig this hole. And we about to drop it in. It's a lovely tree.
Yes, sir.
See, it is.
Yes, sir.
Right here. Tree number 1 is up. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. Did I smash it? Did we do it? Boom, boom, boom. Look at the wind catching it already. Tree number 1. Tree number 2. Tree number 2. Tree number 2. Got the hole already. Y'all see?